Good morning, guys. We slept indoors. It's like midday, basically. It was nice to get some proper sleep. Check out this delicious ass breakfast. Got chocolate milk too. Dion's just down to bacon and rye bread. You want another egg?
How many more we got?
Plenty. You want another?
Yeah.
Alright. Dion and I are about to wash our faces with a face cloth that we got yesterday. Little face towel. Soaking it in this boiling water. And then I'm gonna wring it out and place it over half of my head or half of my face, like half face from, what is that, Spider-Man or Batman or something? Yeah, I'm just gonna put it over half of my face vertically because I need to cover one eye first and then do the massaging things on my eyelid and then the other side of my face. I want to be able to watch videos at the same time. We're watching a video about hypothetical warfare. It's pretty interesting. I did the dishes and fixed the kitchen again. Right now I'm just showing Dion how the video panned out for the day he arrived. We're almost charged up now. Just drying some clothes over there in the window and packing up the rest of the things. We gave up on Mike trying to come back with the tools later. I don't think it's gonna happen. He's been postponing for 2 days now. Neither of us believe it's gonna happen, so we're just leaving. I fixed the kitchen up again, but you can see how quickly that deteriorates. I do this every day. And good luck to these guys when I no longer am here to clean for them every day. It's not gonna look pretty. I've seen what it looks like. Almost all packed down. I rolled up the last cigarette. I'm gonna smoke when we leave. Yep, I think we got everything. I always end up forgetting some little knick-knack, some little thing, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Oh yeah.
I'm trying to find my nail clippers.
Nail clippers. I've seen some over here. Check it out, guys. First steps of the journey. Let's go. Get out of this place. Done with apartments for a while, huh?
Well, I've been on this whole time.
No, I don't think so. I hope not. We're heading in here to get a lock for Dion's bike so we don't have to keep locking them together. Pretty sure they got bike locks in here. Let's see. Check out these. They're very pretty. Look, we're leaving Newball, finally! Ah, it feels good! No more apartment, no more waiting around. Hopefully this is the beginning of the adventure. Let's see. Okay, we just got like 3-5 minutes out and this is the first break of the journey. He's getting his beanie on. This is the beanie I remember him for, the gray beanie, not the green one. I think this one is better, but I get it.
It's beige, not gray.
Ah, beige then. I'm only a man. I don't have perfect cones in my eyes.
Freezing.
Ah, sorry, man. You wanna get some like winter gloves tomorrow?
Set up camp is so we need to get somewhere first and then we set up camp.
You wanna set up camp within the next hour?
Yeah.
Alright.
I thought that was the plan.
Okay, let's do it. I thought you said by nightfall.
Yeah, nightfall will be in the next hour.
Nah, dude, nightfall is hours away. Like the sun is not gonna set for like 2-3 hours.
The sun's like over the ridge.
No, it's right up there. Don't you see it? It's up there.
Oh well, I don't look directly at the sun.
Ah, you can't see how hilly it is. I just missed the angle. Damn. Yeah, we got it. into the forest we go. Ah, lots of sticks here. Once we waded through the entire forest, and I got us as far away from any paths in there. That's where we came through this little hole over here. We came through here. And in there's a bunch of paths and stuff. Dion's a bit concerned if anyone's gonna find us here because he saw tracks in there for 4-wheelers, ATVs. But I'm trying to tell him like no one's maintaining this forest. You know, there's a ton of branches on the floor or on the ground here, which just means not really here, but in there, which means no one's really maintaining this. We're not gonna be found out, and also no one can spot us from out here. There's no houses that are visible to, well, there's some over there, but those are really far away and we're obscured by these trees. So we're perfectly fine if we just set up in this rough area right here. Yeah, I'm good.
Like if somebody came walking across the field.
But they don't, dude. Like, harvest season is already over. This is newly planted stuff. It's just gonna sit there. No one's gonna be doing anything. Yeah.
Watch you wake up to fucking bloodhounds coming out here.
Nah, dude. It's not like that in Denmark, dude. Like, even if the landowner finds us here, he's just gonna be like, oh, you guys set up, like, have you been here for long? And we're just gonna be like, oh, no, man, we just set up yesterday. We're travelers. We're nomads. We're gonna be out of here. We're just gonna say, hey, listen, dude, we're gonna leave this in a better position than in a better condition than we find it.
Somebody found you before?
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. No one ever found me.
You're good at this.
Yeah, I am, dude. Well, someone did find me the first few times that I tried with my ex. You know, the very first time I was living nomadically. But I learned quickly. And we were camping in the heart of Copenhagen, dude. Like, we were camping out in Amagerfjell. Like, it was quite a miracle we didn't get found. Alright, guys, check it out. Dion found a better camping spot a little bit off of the previous recording, and we set up here now with our tent entrances facing each other, so it's easy to hand each other stuff, and yeah, just easier to talk and whatever else. I'm making some tea here, and I made some spejepølse for both of us on rye bread, no butter, with remoulade, pepper, and then roasted onions too. Let's go. This is pretty nice, pretty cozy. I got chocolate milk, and also we have these marshmallows to grill on the Trangia later. We got white bread, and we got honey for the white bread, and I can also use that for my tea. Let's go. I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat now. Before, the three of us were in voice chat while me and Dion were on the bicycles. That actually worked out pretty good for communicating, even if it was windy and you had to yell. But yeah, time to eat. We are hungry. Man, we're both hungry. We went straight from the spejepølse and right into white bread with honey. It's not my favorite type of honey. It's like the cheapest stuff, but it is still 100% honey. It's just not as good as the stuff that's like twice as expensive. So something that's dawning on me is it's a lot more difficult to make money picking up bottles when I also have to be a good host to Dion. Oh, man, this thing on my eye is getting worse. I think I'm gonna have to call my doctor. But yeah, it's kind of difficult to also be a good host to Dion, like show him, you know, nice places and focus on that while also having to, you know, make a little bit of money here and there to cover my own personal expenses, like if I want to buy some soda or some chocolate milk or tobacco or stuff like that. You know, I'm not gonna make him pay for that type of stuff. You know, he's already paying for the food, which I really appreciate. I mean, that alone is making life a lot easier. But at the same time, I don't want to completely forego all of my chemical coping mechanisms, you know? So I'm gonna have to find a way. I'm talking to Stony right now, trying to brainstorm ideas. One thing I could come up with just off of the top of my dome is just going on Fridays and Saturdays, maybe Sundays, but probably just Fridays and Friday and Saturday, to a bigger city to collect bottles and cans. Just go crazy for a few hours, get a few hundred Danish, and then I would only have to be busy for like either 1 or 2 days out of the week to pick up some bottles. I don't know, maybe one day might be okay. I mean, it's just I have to get some money together to buy the final few components, because I let the friend who owns the apartment that Mike is staying at, I let him borrow um, some money from me. 300 Danish. He promised he'd pay me back 400 because I had to wait a week for the money. But now that week has come and gone, and even more days has come and gone, and yeah, I don't know. I'm starting to not expect to get that money back. It's brutal, man. Every single one of those crowns that was from going around picking up cans from garbage. So it's a little different letting someone borrow 300 when you have to go pick up bottles to get it, rather than, oh, you just get welfare or you have a job or something. And it's not quite as big of a deal. But yeah, I'm trying to come up with a way to both be a good host who takes him and does interesting things, but who's also capable of like buying his own shit. And I'm also realizing that Mike is probably not gonna end up joining us. He seemed pretty like he didn't care. Like today, I was like, okay, so are you gonna fix the bike now? You said you'd fix it after you ate breakfast, and he's like, nah, I gotta go to another city to do something. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like, we had a deal. Like, we've been waiting for you for the past 2 days. And he's just like, yeah, don't care. I'm gonna go do that. Well, fine. I'm gonna go do my own thing then.
And it's very profound, very, like, honestly, man, I could make several.
Dion's recording a video for his YouTube channel. I'm keeping it down while hanging out with Stony. I just had to take a piss. It's 3 o'clock or some shit. Yeah, almost 4 o'clock at night. I woke up drenched. My t-shirt was drenched, so I hung it up to dry right over this thing. And it was cold in here as well, so I want to run this for a few minutes, roll a cigarette. I'm just sitting here shirtless. Tranches truly are magical, man. So many use cases. This drawstring in my tent, amazing. Combine the two and you can dry a t-shirt in like 3-4 minutes. It's almost dry. But be careful. It's dangerous, this stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out with Stony for a bit, smoke a cigarette. I don't know if I'll get tired again.